Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Metamask. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Trust Wallet application. Once you have logged into your Trust Wallet account, after that you need to tap on this Manage Crypto button, and after that in this search bar you need to simply search for USDT, and here you can see USDT on all the different networks. So from here you can select any networks, but I'm going to select USDT on Ethereum. So simply first toggle this, and after that you need to click on this USDT data. You will be able to see this send button at the bottom left. Simply tap on this send and you will be landed on this send USDT page. Here you need to paste your address, means wallet address, and the amount of USDT you are transferring from Trust Wallet to Metamask. Now, in order to get this wallet address, you just need to minimize your Trust Wallet, and now you have to open your Metamask application. Simply open Metamask. Once you have logged into your Metamask account, to that, first of all, you need to click on this top left corner drop down, and here you can see all the enable networks from here. So I'm going to tap on this Ethereum mainnet and select this by default. Click on this popular network and set this on current network. After that, you need to click on this plus icon at the top of right corner, and in the search tokens, you need to search for USDT, and you will be able to see Tether USDT on Ethereum network at the top. So you just have to select this and click on next. Now click on import. Now you have successfully imported the Tether USDT on Ethereum. To that, simply click on it, and here you can see this receive button at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on this and you can see here your USDT on Ethereum wallet address along with the QR code. So you just have to copy this address. After copying, reopen your Trust Wallet and enter a passcode again and paste your address in this domain name. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT you are transferring into your MetaMask. After entering the amount and pasting the address, you just need to click on this next button at the bottom. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDT from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. And that's how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.